Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable dynamic lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A27. Dynamic lock screen is a feature that automatically sets some images from the internet on your lock screen. If you'd like to set that, you can go to the settings and enable or disable it by going to Wallpaper and Style, change Wallpapers, then scroll down and you'll find Wallpaper Services. Then you can go to Dynamic Lock Screen and you can select the theme that you would like to set. You can choose up to 5 categories. So I'll select cats. It'll download that. I'll also do dogs. And maybe let's do animals and landscapes, and I'll do that just for now. Once it's all downloaded, you will notice that there's a wallpaper number 1. If I lock and unlock, it shows another wallpaper, another one, and so on, and it'll just shuffle between them. I think that's pretty cool. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.